This is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta down here in Jackson, Georgia. Today we've got a 567 Peterbilt tandem axle dump truck. It's a 2025 model. It's a 16-foot Tebco insulated body on it. 20,000 pound steer axle. 40,000 pound Chalmers rear suspension. 433 gears. 315/80 22.5 tires all the way around. Air disc brakes. 224-inch wheelbase. It does have trailer air lines and electrical run to the back of the frame, so all you have to do is put your plate on it and a pin will hitch and you're ready to tow your trailer. Alcoa aluminum wheels. Polished tanks. Stainless steel def tank cover. Let's take a look under the hood. Under the hood, we've got our 455 horsepower MX13, and behind that is the Allison 4500 series transmission. Look inside. Uniden Bearcat CB radio mounted up top. Extra gauges in the dash. PTO bed and tarp controls. I just took it to the scale house. See the weight slip there. Comes in at 23,760 pounds with me in it. Cloth seats. Air ride on the driver's side. She's ready to go to work. So if you can use it, give me a call. 706-372-4698.